Diagnostic fee is a charge for testing procedures used to pinpoint specific issues or part failures in your vehicle subsystems. When one of your vehicle subsystems malfunctions, an indicator light on your dashboard illuminates, such as the check engine light, ABS, traction, or TPMS. That system actually becomes disabled by the computer so that you can continue to drive your vehicle safely for a short period until it can be serviced. A test must then be done to understand the failure or issue. Most tests require extensive technician training and advanced diagnostic equipment. Why do you charge when part shops will do it for free? The auto parts store, as well as many repair facilities, often use what we refer to as the shotgun approach to repairing your vehicle. Meaning they just load up a gun, shoot a bunch of parts at a particular problem until it's fixed. So while the initial test was free, it actually makes them lots of money at your expense. This approach will sometimes luckily take care of a specific issue, but rarely does. Glenshaw Auto Service, we invest in and utilize highly advanced diagnostic equipment along with an extensive repair database. This allows our technicians to work off of a manufacturer-specific testing procedure to be certain that the repairs we recommend are going to actually fix the problem. Many times a diagnostic trouble code, or DTC, for a specific part failure is due to another part failing and leading to the failure of the part that is causing the warning light to be on. So the part is replaced, the problem is repaired, albeit temporarily since the initial reason for the failure was not fixed or addressed. This is why we charge a diagnostic fee. This fee covers the advanced testing procedures done to accurately pinpoint and correctly repair the root cause of the issue, which ultimately saves you time and money. So what should I expect? When you drop your vehicle off at Glenshaw Auto Service, a service advisor will greet you and ask you a few questions to gather as much information for our techs to have before they begin any diagnostic testing. The technician will perform the advanced system scan to retrieve all the DTCs stored in the vehicle's computer memory. We then perform our complete courtesy digital inspection to assess the overall condition of the vehicle and send you a digital report that includes descriptions and actual photos via text message or email. After you review the report, you will call the service advisor to discuss the report. During the review process, the service advisor will thoroughly explain and discuss the DTCs that were found during the scan, why they failed, and advise the proper test procedure required along with fees associated with the test so that you have peace of mind knowing the repair is actually going to take care of your problem. As an added bonus with any repair we do here at Glenshaw Auto Service, we provide a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on all parts and service at no cost.